Hello viewers, this is the cheapest tempered glass for iPad 10th generation that I have bought. Today in this video I will install this tempered glass on my iPad 10th generation. Actually I have bought this from offline market and I did not install it because I want to show you how it can be installed on your iPad. I will talk about the price later in this video, so carefully watch this video. In this video you will come to know whether you should apply the tempered glass yourself or you should go to any market to apply this. Before applying the tempered glass, you should carefully clean all the dust particles. You can use any wiping cloths or you can use this kind of wiping paper so that there is no dust particles on the screen. If any dust remains on the screen, in that case it will enter into the glass and the dust particle will create bubbles inside the display and it will look very bad. The tempered glass is very big as the display size is 10.9 inches. So it seems very inconvenient to me to apply this screen protector. Plus I am applying this before shooting videos, so it makes more inconvenient for me to apply the screen guard properly. In spite of that, I will try my level best to apply the screen guard as good as possible. Let me peel off the plastic. Actually there is a sign that this side is back side. You have to peel off the plastic very carefully before applying it onto the screen. I have large fingers, yet I find it very difficult to hold the screen protector and apply it on the display. However, I will try my level best to apply it as good as possible. At the time of applying the screen guard, you have to be very careful and you have to measure each side so that it gets aligned with the display. Sometimes what happens, the measurement gets wrong, as a result of which the screen guard is not affixed properly. You have to keep the tempered glass softly on the screen and it will automatically be applied. I am applying this screen guard from a particular angle. Before applying, you should be in the middle position. In this way you have to tap on the screen little bit so that the air gets out, but sometimes it gets wrong. As you can see here, the bubbles are inside it, so it is a problematic matter. You have to remove this bubble out so that your screen gets a very good contact with the screen protector. As you can see here, I could not apply the screen protector accurately. The alignment seems to be wrong because a lot of space is left towards the bottom of the display. So I removed the protector again and applied it again. So as you can see here, there are bubbles here and the alignment this time has been right. Also there is a bubble inside the display as a dust particle entered into the display. So I think the glass has not been applied properly. It is my fault, but it is a good lesson for you also to learn that you should apply the screen protector from the local store if you are not an expert in applying screen protector on your screen. And after that I tested the display whether there is any difference between the actual glass and after applying the glass. So I find there is no problem whatsoever, only it looks very bad that there is bubbles inside this display, though it is not in the main glass, so that is not a problem also. But apart from that, there is no problem. The quality of the tempered glass seems to be very good, though it is not possible for me to say how long it will last. Then I tried YouTube and I saw that there is no problem. However, the screen guard seems to be little bit reflective, as a result of which in daylight condition it is reflecting, but it is not a deal breaker. You can buy this screen guard. Now talking about the price, I have bought this screen guard at a price point of 250 rupees. When I asked the shopkeeper, he told me that I have to pay 300 rupees. Then I bargained with him and he offered the price 250 rupees, and I think in 250 rupees it is a very good buy. However, if you want to buy from the online, you can also do that. I will put a best buy link in the description below. Hope this video has helped you to know about the screen guard and its application. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, and if you want to know about the latest offers on tablets and smartphones, stay subscribed. I will let you know about the best offers available in online sites. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.